Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Zoom and making sure the desktop app is updated. This is essential because older builds lack the blur algorithm. Next, go to Settings, then Backgrounds and Filters, enable video processing features so Zoom can apply blur. Once done, position yourself with even front lighting and avoid busy backdrops. That helps the software separate you from the background. Make sure your camera is selected in Zoom, and if you have multiple, pick the one with the best exposure. You now apply the blur. Click Backgrounds and Filters and choose Blur. If Zoom offers intensity options, pick a moderate level first. Then open the video preview so you can watch how edges and hair are handled. This preview tells you whether the algorithm misclassifies parts of you as background. Once done, tweak your camera framing and lighting to reduce shadows and increase contrast between you and the backdrop. Those changes dramatically improve the blur's stability during movement. You finish by running a test meeting to confirm the blur performs with natural movement. Watch for edge jitter or background bleed. If artifacts appear, reduce the blur level, add more front light, or try a higher quality camera. Those fixes often remove haloing. Make sure to update your GPU drivers and Zoom app. If the blur option is absent, reinstall Zoom and check hardware acceleration settings. One tip: disabling virtual backgrounds and re-enabling blur can refresh the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.